And switcher on, switcher off. I don't think this is a very good idea, Mr. Sutton.
This is for when we're 80, Hugh.
Was it?
Yep.
Okay. Right, is it switched on? We go on. Yeah, it's not switching on.
No power. Try power.
It doesn't need power, does it? This thing doesn't need power.
May have another problem with the power.
Okay, I go on. Shouldn't that offload that stuff? Yeah?
Yeah, it should download it.
Oh, don't tell me I put that in the wrong way around. I'll put that in the wrong way around. Oh.
Have we fried it?
Yeah, probably. This is, are we at home to Mr. Cocker? There we go.
Yeah, I heard the computer go. And she came, and that beeper. You hear the beep?
Yeah.
You heard the...
Yeah,
was
yeah, that was from there. No, it's all live here. I just got to pages on. So now we'll do a little clear, and then we'll. I thought I just did a clear. Alt C, clear.
Alt C is not.
Offline. Okay, it's offline. Alt.
You're not even connected, are you? Are you connected at the moment?
Okay, I totally did. Do that in minutes. Well, grandchildren, this here is called a telephone. This archaic thing here is the original thing. I mean,
this is before we were taken over by Bell Atlantic and
before the telephones knew who you wanted to talk to.
Before Peter Troughton was fired.
And that was a wonderful conversation with the telecom.
Make all sorts of little noises for us.
Yeah, it should do. Right, well, that tells me exactly what the messages look like. Right. So that's a beep, and that RL such and such, that actually tells you what this is. And then we're just going to display this thing. So we'll do a picture. Beep. This is something that you had to do called programming.
This is a garage shop operation.
Oh, what type? Is this something like Go? Go, I think you said.
Have you got the cables loaded up the correct way? Because you've got...
Yeah, yep. Oh. This is one of those times when after slaving away at the computer for months on end, you suddenly ask yourself the question,
why am I in Hollywood?
Oh, no, in what language is the program I've just written? And your mind doesn't answer. You have missed one message. Review. How can you say this? It's got nothing connected on top.
It has residual intelligence.
Oh, cocked it up now. I'll switch it off.
I'm surprised it's survived, Hugh. You know the ones that I thought we blew up?
Oh yeah, what was the
Ray reckoned that they were okay.
No. Receiving all that. Yeah, what is it doing that? That's a very odd mode for it to do. Okay.
So you've removed some debugging information. Right.
Yeah, basically just to allow everything to go a bit faster.
It's one of the things Blick said about
Okay, so we're going to finish this off a little bit so that we can download and test it, and hopefully you're going to witness some interesting beeps and hollers. Maybe not, maybe yes, I hope so. Okay, so we'll just do a final run. We started on the emulator. Let's go. Right. And it seems all relatively okay. So we'll do the transfer. Right? Program. Out. Cross. Make. Payments. Turn this on. These are our devices, right? Protection, sleeve, radio receiver, disconnect, get rid of that, plug it into my computer, load up the software, get that ready. Over here we've got this compilation going of my source code. Not that I ever considered myself a programmer. Here it's all coming up. You can see some bits and pieces appearing on the screen. Right, we're just getting ready to boot in now. Oops. Booting in. Loading code. Now we're away. 4, 10 of 90 blocks. It's a great pleasure to have you here this evening, my friends of the future. This is making a pack on the back of this thing here. This is the POCSAC pager with our microprocessor on board. Just about finished here, about 10 seconds ago. Fine, we don't want another one done. Clear that out, clear that out. Load the paging software. That's on. Okay. Turn on the paging. Check through what anything is there. It's okay. News. Let's initialize it. Right. And here we go. Right. So that's now powered up. We better check out the keywords that are so we'll add a keyword, and the keyword to add will be one. We've got bush in there, so we'll add the keyword that just captures more or less everything that goes along. I think that's all we need to put in here now. And while it might be a little bit difficult to see, you'll see some pictures on the screen there. It's pretty difficult for you guys to see, but you see that closes
you needed some light, don't you? Anyway, we'll leave this like this. Then I'll be over the other side here just for a minute. Hi, this is our other machine. Hello, and I'll just bring you over. Okay, we've been away for a while. And there's been a few changes to the software since you last saw it because it didn't run very well. But this time we're going to see what we can come up with. So we're going back onto our scanning software and we're going to run it. And we have the software in here which I've written and talked to you about. We've now picked up the first page and I'll bring it down over here so you can get to grips with what's going on. What we're going to do is we're going to pull up our directory, go across to D, bring in AWACS, just start the machine off again. Is not installed. So we're going to email C. We'll be back in a second, friends. Here we are at the AWACS control center and we're launching these are the stories coming in, right? And this is the computer processing. It's already grabbed the page. Now the page should be coming out to AWACS over the next second or two. So we'll go over here. Right now it's caught it again, right, and it's going to verify it. And over here, this unit here we can put into